Hello beautiful people, welcome to Ibiza, the party island. So we landed about 1.5 hours ago. It was a mess to get the suitcases back. A big queue for the car rental. Here, this is it, our car for 1 week. Okay, let's explore the island, see you! Good morning everyone, day 1 in Ibiza. Today, Cala Comte. Let's go to the beach.
¿Quién quiere agua?
Cuando mamá o papá pueden, pues.
In the pool. Ouais.
Alors ils ont le droit d'aller ici en
Ouais. Day 3, lunch in Cala Martina.
Agarra 3 colores y luego se van. No, los dientes. Ah, eso sea mal como lo que tú dices. Bueno.
Hey, so after a very nice lunch, time for a swim. It's 5 p.m. The sun is not so strong anymore and let's swim. Hey, good morning. That's the view from the room. Not bad, no? Okay, let's go for breakfast and hit the beach. See you later. Cala Verde, perfect for families or anyone else really, but for families perfect. No jellyfish, clear water, shallow water. Man, Ibiza rocks. Come to Ibiza. A bit expensive, but very nice. Ibiza, baby, give it a go. Beautiful.
¿Te gusta?
Hey, good morning everyone. It's 7 a.m. Sunday morning. Time to leave Ibiza. Holidays are over. I just loaded the car, our rental car. We need to fill the tank, give it back, and yeah, check in. Well, no, I did online check-in and fly back home in Germany. Okay, 8 days in Ibiza. Very, very nice, very nice, very nice. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog. stay tuned for some more, and there's another video about a one-day trip we did to Formentera, the little island south of Ibiza. Check it out. See you soon. Fly around the world, checking out.